How to create a new account on Ticketmaster. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily create a new account on Ticketmaster. But before getting started, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser you have, and here you are just going to search for Ticketmaster on the search bar. Just go ahead and search for it, and once you do that, you will see this very first result is the official website for Ticketmaster. Go ahead and open it up. Now all you need to do is on the top right, you'll see sign in or register. Go ahead and click on it, and it will take you to a different portal where you have an option to sign in. So if you already have an account, that's great. You can just enter your email, enter your password, and click on sign in to log into your Ticketmaster. But if you are completely new to this website, then what you need to do is go ahead and click on sign up right here, and here you just enter your email address, and once you enter your email address, you'll just have to create a password. So go ahead and create your password as well. I'm just gonna create a random password for now, and it must include a number. So these are the criteria to create your password. Now you'll just have to enter your first name, your last name, and then your country of residence and your post or zip code. Then click on next, and you'll just have to verify from your email, and you're good to go. And that's how you easily create a new account on Ticketmaster. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.